Thank you so much, Ivan Kawa, and good luck to all those that will be sitting for those exams. In more stories, the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, His Grace Stephen Kazimba Mugalu, has criticized the support of homosexuality by those that brought Christianity to Uganda. The Archbishop says Church of Uganda decided to come out with a solution of going business evangelism to support the source of income and encourage Christians and clergy to continue supporting this initiative.
Church of Uganda leadership rolled out going business evangelism aimed at supporting their source of income to avoid relying on donors, some of who support same-sex marriage. The Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, His Grace Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugalu, says the Church of Uganda will not allow working with countries supporting wayward practices like homosexuality.
Those men and women where the gospel came from in England, they are fighting a backsliding battle of faith. They are promoting lesbianism, gay, transgender, and so forth, which is contrary to the scriptures. They brought us in 1877. We are committed to stick to scriptures. And because of that, I want to invite all Christians and well-wishers to support the church.
Kazimba was on the pastoral visit on Mityana Anglican Diocese. The Archbishop toured Mityana Diocese developments and also officiated a Thanksgiving service of the 30th anniversary of the former Member of Parliament of Mityana South, Henry and Beatrice Makumbi. The Bishop of Mityana Diocese, James Bukomeko, and the cross-section of religious leaders welcomed the Archbishop to the diocese that he once led before becoming the overall head of the Anglican faith in Uganda. The Prime Minister of Uganda, Robin Anabanja, in her message, read by the Minister for Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Judith Nabakoba, she handed over 5 million shillings towards the construction of the Ebenezer House.
Program ezireetebwa gavumenti omuli ng'eya parish development model wamu n'emyoga kubanga zituukirira ddala kuffe abantu ab'enjawulo mu bitundu byaffe.
State Minister for Housing, Persis Namuganza, commended religious leaders for their efforts aimed at guiding couples.
A family is the smallest unit of the state. When families are stable, the state is stable. When families become unstable, the state cannot be stable. Because all of us, whether the minister, whether His Excellency the President, whoever, we come from these smallest units, and those are the families.
Fred Kasibante compiled the story.